So we're gonna play backpacking with my dad now. And I'm loading, of course. It's called backpacking. And we have a tent and a toy, like a camper van, of course. Played this game a lot of times. Dad, are you here? I don't see you in my server. Where are you? You're gonna leave? Okay. Oh, you're here. Okay. Camper girl, camper boy, and sister man. Looks has like two T's. Oh, hi Dad. Okay. Where should we go? Let's see. Okay. I think I know what to set it up. So we set it up right here. So if you go on inventory, you can see inventory, right? So if you press on it, you have all your stuff. So first, we have to get our tents here. But I'm sure I have like another tent. Like, I think I have another tent. I think I can buy a tent. Oh, I'm gonna save it for later because I can almost get 400 marshmallow house. Can I sleep with you? Oh, I have to place my tent first, and then I can do it. Alright. No. Oh my god, again. Okay. Okay. Let me make some marshmallows. Mallows. I don't know what's this called. It's good over there. I'm in the fire. I'm gonna be I'm on fire. Like I'm in these. Things. Here. Is that how many I need? Oh no, I joined something. Don't worry, Ala. We'll be back in a sec. Okay, you only have 39 seconds. I'm gonna leave. I'm to leave. I'll just stay in the campsite where we were. Okay? Because I'm gonna be back to put it at 18 seconds. Oh, you got me. So, yeah. Okay, which is cool. Can I empty it? Activate. Okay, I got 19. Okay, got good stuff. So I can buy this. Okay. Do you want to see my other tent? put it right on pick this up. Tornadoes forming. Yes. Now put this and I'll place it right here. Boom! Yeah, I bite it. Yeah, don't you see? Look. Come. Store with what do I buy? What could I buy? I can buy nothing. I can buy nothing. I really want to buy this. A rainbow mat, a leather chair, and 2 of them, and a blue sleeping bag and a red sleeping bag. That's all I want. But first I have to make some marshmallows. I'm sure it's gonna... Tornadoes forming. Tornadoes forming. Oh! I see it. Oh, there's another one. I will come outside. Come outside. Go outside? Okay. Look at the tornado right there. I'm going to the tornado. I'm going to the tornado. Get me there. Tornado, come back. I want you. They were like a mile away. Something. Okay, I don't know how many miles. But I'm going to that tornado. To get, like, did you know you can get into a tornado? Like in real life. But you won't die or anything. You can just like spin around, that's it. Tornado, wait for me. I want you. Give me to you. I want you. Okay, that's what the tornado is. So far. Run! Emma! I'm at the tornado. Where are you? Where are you? I'm there. I'm already almost there. Right now, I'm almost over there. It would be much better if I had like the thing. What you call it? Yeah. I see the tornado. I see you. I want you. Okay, let's get to that tornado. Oh, you're right behind me. Can you see me on the map? I'm going up on this rock thing. I can hear the tornado. It's like something like that. Oh my god. I see it! I'm coming. This is the best part. I was again through the tornado. Oh! I'm already over there. Right? Oh my god, there's actually double tornadoes. What? I'm so far away from it? Can't come back. Like, this is gonna take for a long journey walk.
You can teleport.
No, you can't teleport. Ah! It's right there. I see you. Run. How did you shift so fast? already over there. I'm going to this. How did you sprint? How did you sprint? Even that one. That one. How is that so far? And the thing. Oh, this one is close. I think. I can hear it whistling, so that makes it close. Okay, we're already over there. I'm already over there. No, why are we going to the other What? It's already up there?